Alright guys, so here's what I did. I marinated my meat for at least 4 hours, and if you look in the description I'll tell you what marinade I used, how I made it. And from there what I did is brought it out, put a can of beer in there, and got it ready to grill. So you can see that I got the grill very hot. Flame's pretty good. You want it at least 300, if you could get it to about 300. Alright, so that's the key, is to have a nice hot grill so your meat cooks kind of quick. And you can see how the meat's cooking. Meat's cooking really nice. Look at the flavors throughout the meat. And then from there what I did is I took it over to the indirect heat side, where you see that little small flame. That's actually just smoke chips. And then that's your result. You get a really nice piece of meat. What I like to use either a flank steak or some sort of a shoulder, like a chuck or something along those lines. You always get really good flavors with chuck or a flank steak anytime that you're doing carne asada. Look at that. Look at the flavors. And then what I do is I take it to the other side. And on this side I have beans. So you can see right there. I have cheese. Try to use like a Monterey Jack or a Chihuahua cheese. And then tortillas. I chopped up the meat. Took it to my flat grill. That's what I'm going to be cooking on my Blackstone on this one. I do that because it melts the cheese flavors. It gets a really nice flavor. And then there's the final result. We put beans inside of it. You put your meat in there. Everything cooks together. And that's a Tacos Baja right there. Tacos Baja. Flip it, and you can never go wrong. If you liked it, subscribe and tell your friends about us. And I'll see you next time with Better Grill with Saul.